Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use training mode in Street Fighter 6 with an easy method. First, navigate to the Battle Hub or Fighting Ground and select Training. Choose your preferred character and an opponent. You can then customize the dummy's actions to practice specific scenarios. This mode is essential for improving your skills and understanding character matchups effectively. It's a powerful tool for any player. Understanding dummy settings is crucial for effective training. You can set the dummy to stand, crouch, or jump, and even block in various ways. A key feature is recording custom sequences, allowing the dummy to perform specific moves or combos. This helps you practice defending against common attack patterns. Experiment with these settings to create tailored practice scenarios for any situation. Training mode offers invaluable visual aids like frame data and hitbox displays. Frame data shows you exactly how fast moves are, including startup, active, and recovery frames. Visualizing hitboxes and hurtboxes helps you understand attack ranges and vulnerability. This information is vital for optimizing your offense and defense. Pay close attention to these details to refine your timing and execution in matches. Now, let's put it all into practice with some drills. Start by practicing anti-airs against a jumping dummy, aiming for consistent execution. Next, focus on your main combos, repeating them until they are second nature. Set the dummy to perform an unsafe move and practice your punish. Finally, work on your defensive options and wake-up game. Consistent practice yields significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.